seller of RCM business. In RCM business, I have my team in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Orissa, and West Bengal. This voice message I am sending you to get an idea about what is RCM and the purpose of RCM business. RCM is a direct selling company. Direct selling means without any mediators like stockist, super stockist, marketing agency, or any CMF agency, company will directly give products in your hand. By doing this, you will get high quality Indian products in reasonable price. RCM is 20 years old in India, which has been run by a suit manufacturing company called Fashion Suitings Private Limited since 1977. RCM has been launched in the year 2000 with three good intentions: to make a healthy India, to make self-dependent people, and creating or building a new India. RCM have almost all the essential product which we normally used in our daily life. It is more than 750 products and it's huge. Starting from toothpaste and toothbrush, more than 10 varieties of first grade bathing soaps, shampoo, hair oil, face talc, talcum powder, moisturizing cream, shirt, pants, innerwears, chappals, shoes and socks, all type of kitchen utilities like chili powder, uh, coriander powder, turmeric powder, uh, tea, tea powder, coffee powder, natural juices, and even salt and hinge also we have. It will continue. It's a lot many products are there. RCM also have toiletry items like toilet cleaners, floor cleaners, washing powders, washing soaps, dishwashers, and many more, which is very much essential in our daily routine. We have natural nutrition supplements. One of the most awarded nutritional product, NutriCharge, which you can find in the Guinness Book of World Record also with RCM only. RCM also has huge range of agricultural products called Harit Sanjeevani, which you can use in the small scale gardening to the big acres of land for any type of crops. I am sure that you used to buy all these mentioned ranges till from your birth. You are buying it from a supermarket or a your nearby shop. In our language, we will say that you are buying it from traditional market. They used to give advertisements in TV, radio, and in newspapers with the big picture of a superstar or a cricketer. We all know that that big star never used that product, but for money they are acting in that advertisement. But knowingly or unknowingly, we will go and buy that product. Like when you buy products from nearby shops in a traditional marketing, there are lot many demerits. The first demerit is high cost of the product. When a company manufactures a product in rupees 10 rupees and before coming to your hand, it has to go through many medias. I already told you that there is stockist, super stockist, CNF agency, marketing agency, and lot many. They all will put their margin in that 10 rupees product, and when you receive that product in your hand, the price of the product will be 40 to 50 rupees. The 10 rupees product will be 50 rupees when it come to your hand. But at the same time, when you if you are ready to buy this product from RCM business, as I told you, RCM is a direct selling company. The product will come to your nearby company's own depot, and from there the company from the depot it is coming to the nearby company owned pickup center, and from it is coming to your hand. The total cost, after the conveyance, putting the conveyance charges, the total margin of the depot and the pickup center, the total amount, the 10 rupees will maximum it will come to 20 to 25 rupees. So this is the first benefit. So you will get a cheaper price product in your hand. Next demerit of the traditional marketing is 40% duplicate product. As I told you, there are lot many mediators coming in between. The product manufacturing company and you in traditional marketing, there are chances, or I can say that there are guaranteed chances of being adulterated or duplicate products come to your hands. And even after using that product also, you can't understand that whether you have used an original product or a duplicate product. You can find lot many such cases in newspapers that tons and tons of duplicate and adulterated brands has been caught and destroyed by government officials. Every month you can see in the newspaper. Using these duplicate products definitely going to affect you and your family's health condition. In RCM, as I already told you, it's a direct selling company. The products from the company manufacturing unit directly coming to the company's own depot, and from there the company own pickup center, and from there it is coming to your hands. So there is no chance of duplicate products. Not only that, this total process is maintained by an international quality computer system. So if somebody try to include some duplicate product also, he will not able to sell that product without the knowledge of the company. So with RCM, you will be getting 100% guaranteed original products with high quality in cheaper pricing. So the two demerits of traditional marketing I have already told you. One is high cost and second one is guaranteed chance of duplicate products. And the third demerit is 90% of the traditional marketing products are multinational company products, MNC products. We all know that India was the richest country once with the GDP of 32% in the whole world. After that, lot many outsiders come to India and they looted our country and they become rich and gone ahead. The last shares taken by British East India Company, and in 1947 August 15 we got independence. But before 1947 only one East India Company was there to looting India's money, but now lot many East India companies are here for looting India's money day by day. Only one example I will put here: Indian Tobacco Company (ITC), which has its main office in the Kolkata. Very few people knows that it is not an Indian company. The total turnover of the single company is around 35,000 crores. In that, India is getting only below 50% and balance 50% is rotating in international market. Nobody will complain about that this 50% of 35,000 crore, because 35%, if we take the 30%, 50% of the 35,000 crore also a huge amount. But as an Indian, we should definitely think about the balance 50%. It is not about only one ITC company. There are lot many ITC companies working in India and getting richer and richer day by day. This is our responsibility to stop using multinational company products and build a new India. RCM is 100% Indian company with 100% Indian product. 100% Indian affordable price also, and with Indian culture and Indian mentality. So if you are using RCM products, means you are helping to build a new India, a richest India. And the fourth demerit of traditional marketing is no benefit to the customer. I am sure that if you take your whole life, every day morning you will be brushing your teeth with a toothbrush and a toothpaste. Every day you are going to bath with a soap. Every day you will be wearing shirt, pants, chappals, innerwears. Every day you will be use cooking oils, turmeric, chili, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, salt for your daily food habits. You will definitely wash your clothes, wash your hands with a hand wash. You will wash your toilet, bathrooms, your floors, and lot many things you use every day. Routine life, you will do all these things. Just think that anybody has given you a single penny for regularly purchasing the items to your home. Forget about giving money to you. Just think, if you ask a 1 rupee discount for every purchase you make, whether he will allow you to take 1 rupees? Definitely not. But in RCM, the unbelievable, unbeatable benefit is you will get an income for doing all these things if you are use RCM product. This is applicable for each and every items of RCM, starting from a pen costing 5 rupees to any extent. For brushing your teeth with a toothpaste which is cheaper than the market price, which is in an important quality and 100% Indian, and giving you 2 rupees to your account, I will say you have to brush your teeth 3 times a day. This is the power of RCM. My kind request is to you is to start supporting India by supporting India's best direct selling company called RCM. For more information about RCM, you can check our website rcmbusiness.com. You can check YouTube for RCM related videos. Thank you so much for your patience. Jai Bharat, Jai RCM. Thank you.